Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Amazon reviews for your site in Squarespace. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is Amazon review widget. You want to sign up for free, and when you will have it, you can sign up with Facebook or Google, really up to you, and then just click login. So you're gonna see it here, applications. You want to write here Amazon, and you're gonna see here Amazon review. So let's just create a widget, and when we have it, you can choose between reviews, carousel, grid, slider, etc. I'm going to choose reviews widget. Continue with the template. You just place the URL of the product that you want to have reviews on. That's like book or whatever product you got. So then you got layout. You can change it to Amazon. I'm going to leave list. Review, classic, bubble, I'm going to leave classic also, and you can change the style of the colors, like from orange to red. I would leave the orange one. Let's just click save here. Now when you will have it, you need to choose between the plan. If your site got more views, I recommend going with the basic or pro. There's like 5,000 and 50,000 views, but if you have like starting out, go with the light. It's completely fine. Let's copy the widget and let's just add code here, and let's just paste the code. Let's click apply, and let's just wait until it loads. Oh, we need to save. Oh, it's on. So also, to have it in the middle, to have it centered in the middle, you need to have spacer. So just add spacer and have the script in the middle. Also guys, I recommend checking out all the applications in Placeit if you like some, like Pro Pack or Basic Pack with 36 bucks a month or 18 bucks a month. And check all the applications here, that some of them you can find useful, like FAQ, like Yelp reviews, Facebook feed, Instagram feed, restaurant menu if you got a restaurant, of course. And yeah, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comments. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.